Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Indianish cookbook is probably one of the most exciting culinary journeys you can embark on, offering a vibrant fusion of traditional Indian flavors with accessible, modern twists that are perfect for home cooks looking to expand their repertoire and impress their taste buds with a delightful array of dishes that are both authentic and approachable, making it an indispensable addition to any kitchen seeking to explore the rich and diverse world of Indian-inspired cuisine. Number 5. Salt, fat, acid, heat, mastering the elements of good cooking. Discover the fundamental elements that elevate your cooking. Learn how to balance salt, fat, acid, and heat to create truly delicious dishes. Understand the crucial role salt plays in enhancing flavor. We'll show you how to use it effectively to bring out the best in every ingredient. Explore the impact of fat on texture and taste. Learn to incorporate it wisely for satisfying and well-rounded meals. Discover how acid can cut through richness and add vibrancy. Master its use to achieve perfect balance in your cooking. Control the transformative power of heat. Learn different cooking techniques to achieve optimal results and unlock new depths of flavor. See how these four elements work together in harmony. Apply these principles to transform your everyday cooking into extraordinary culinary experiences. What we like. This book breaks down the core components of great cooking. It teaches you the science behind why certain techniques work. If you are looking to truly understand the fundamentals of cooking and elevate your skills beyond just following recipes, this is the one for you. What people say. Priya Krishna's Indianish Cookbook is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to explore Indian cuisine. The recipes are well explained and accessible, even for beginners. It offers a great introduction to Indian cooking with a modern twist. Number 4. Dessert Person Baking Book. Unlock your inner baker with Dessert Person. This comprehensive guide offers recipes and expert advice to help you create delicious treats with confidence. From simple weeknight desserts to show-stopping cakes, find the perfect recipe for any occasion. Explore a wide variety of sweet creations designed to impress. Gain valuable insights and techniques from experienced bakers. Learn the secrets to perfect results every time, making baking enjoyable and accessible. Take your baking to the next level with this essential resource. Master new skills and expand your repertoire with clear, easy-to-follow instructions. This book is your ultimate companion for all things baking. Discover a world of flavor and creativity, and enjoy the satisfaction of homemade desserts. What we like. This guide is all about empowering you to bake with confidence. It focuses specifically on creating delicious desserts with helpful advice. If you love sweets and want to improve your baking game, especially for desserts, this cookbook will be your best friend. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and yield delicious results. Priya Krishna offers a fresh perspective on Indian cooking, making it accessible to beginners. The cookbook includes a good variety of traditional and modern Indian dishes. Number 3. That Sounds So Good Cookbook. Discover 100 delicious recipes designed for your everyday life. This cookbook is your guide to making mealtime exciting and easy. From busy weeknights to relaxed weekends, find the perfect dish for any occasion. Enjoy a variety of flavors that will satisfy everyone at your table. We've gathered real-life recipes that are both simple to prepare and incredibly tasty. Spend less time stressing and more time enjoying your meals. This collection is perfect for anyone looking to add some flavor and ease to their cooking routine. Get ready to impress yourself and your loved ones. Experience the joy of cooking with recipes that are guaranteed to sound as good as they taste. Elevate your home cooking with this essential guide. What we like. Discover 100 recipes designed for your busy week. These are practical, real-life meals that are perfect for any day. If you need quick, delicious, and approachable meals for everyday cooking without fuss, this cookbook is an absolute must-have. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and the instructions are clear. The cookbook is well organized and includes a good variety of recipes. The author provides helpful tips and variations for each recipe. Number 2. Cooking at Home, a cookbook. Tired of complicated recipes? This cookbook simplifies your kitchen experience. Learn to create delicious meals with ease. Unlock the full potential of your microwave. Discover how it can become your secret weapon for quick and tasty dishes. Say goodbye to recipe anxiety. We provide straightforward instructions that guarantee success every time. Enjoy cooking without the stress. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your food. This guide offers simple techniques for busy lives. From quick lunches to satisfying dinners, this book has you covered. It's the perfect companion for anyone who wants to cook more at home. What we like. Learn to cook at home without the stress of strict recipes. It encourages a more relaxed and intuitive approach to meals. If you're someone who wants to cook more at home but feels intimidated by complex recipes or wants to embrace simpler cooking methods, this book is ideal. What people say. This cookbook is a fantastic introduction to Indian cooking, with clear and easy-to-follow recipes. Priya Krishna's writing style is engaging and informative, making the cooking process enjoyable. The cookbook offers a great variety of authentic Indian dishes, suitable for both beginners and experienced cooks. Number 1. Joshua Weissman, An Unapologetic Cookbook. Discover the culinary secrets within this best-selling cookbook. It's packed with unapologetic recipes for every home cook. Join the ranks of readers who have made this book a number 1 New York Times bestseller. Experience the difference it can make in your kitchen. Unleash bold flavors with straightforward techniques. This guide makes impressive meals accessible to everyone. Learn from the acclaimed chef Joshua Weissman. His unique approach will transform the way you cook. Find your new favorite dishes within these pages. It's designed to become your essential kitchen companion. Gain the confidence to tackle any recipe. This book empowers you to create delicious food with ease. What we like. This cookbook offers a bold and unapologetic take on modern comfort food. Expect big flavors and a no-nonsense approach to delicious meals. If you enjoy hearty, flavorful dishes and appreciate a chef's perspective that prioritizes taste and satisfaction above all else, you'll love this. What people say. Priya Krishna's Indianish Cookbook is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to explore Indian cuisine with a modern twist. The recipes are well explained and accessible, even for beginners, making it easy to recreate authentic Indian flavors at home. The cookbook features a diverse range of dishes, from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate celebratory feasts, offering something for every occasion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.